We constantly face minor difficulties that can unsettle us from the ordinary rut of life. But remember that there's always an easy solution to cut your losses. We offer you life hacks that will help you make the most out of any awkward situation. You love cooking all sorts of goodies in a frying pan, but there's a slight problem. Your meals stick to the pan. You've tried washing it well, increasing the temperature, but it still doesn't solve the issue. There is a solution. Heat up the pan with salt. Your meals will be delicious and not stick to the surface anymore. Taking photos is your hobby, but there are photos in which people blink and they come out with people's eyes closed. Tell everyone to close their eyes and open at the count of 3. Everyone opens their eyes and the photo's ready for you to share on your favorite social media. We've all experienced clothes, in particular wool, that attract static electricity and shock us. This leads to serious discomfort. In order to avoid unpleasant electric shock from clothing, an ordinary pin should be attached to the inside of the garment. Do you have ants in your country house? Have you tried everything but still can't get rid of them? The solution is quite simple. Find where the anthill is located and sprinkle cinnamon around it. The strong smell of this seasoning repels insects, and within a few days, your house will be ant-free. Has your cutlery oxidized and tarnished over time? To restore them to their previous state, rub them with the inside of a banana peel and they will immediately start sparkling again. Subscribe to our channel to learn more interesting things. What ordinary household item would you like to learn about? Let us know in the comments section below.